Alrighty, so let's go over this combination of Grimace and Spiderman. So let's go over here, and I'm going to start a curve for the top of Grimace's head, that Grimace aspect of him. Going to pull it a little bit more down, just kind of extend that over here, extend that over here. Line out, line out, down, down over here. Gonna go over here and actually draw the hand already, kind of that thumb area, and some of his fingers right there. Over here, thumb area, and then we're gonna continue with the fingers on this side. Continue to slide it down. Over here, slide it down. Curve over here for kind of the bottom of the way where Grimace is. Line down here, line down the middle, and line down here. Curve underneath for the foot area. Curve underneath for this area. Don't forget to hit the like button. It helps out a lot, helps the algorithm, and you know, like I said, these videos are pretty hard, so I really appreciate it if you please press that like or share the video. Alright, well, let's go over here to the face, which is going to be the most important part. So we're going to go over here and we're going to draw a line out for a Spider-Man eye. Curve underneath up. Go over here now. We're throwing in that aspect of Spider-Man. Curve. It's going to be like the Grimace multiverse version. Alrighty. So far, so good. And I am going to draw a circle in the center. And over here, I'm going to draw down the arm a bit here. So right here, line down, line down, line down here, line down here, down, down, down. For Spider-Man texture right there, down, down, down. Gonna go over here. And down for the Spider-Man pattern. Gonna pull up. Gonna go here, pull out, pull out, pull out. Kind of like a ray of sunshine. It's radiating from that center point of his face. Obviously, we're taking creative license with him and pulling it out, out, out like that. Alright. Line right here for that blue area. Okay. And then down, 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 down. Line over here, 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 line over here. I'm gonna go over here as well to the hands, kind of draw that. It's almost like a, you know, like a hashtag. Going over here as well. I drew a line over there. That line's not supposed to be there. So I'll try to make a thicker line right there and a thicker line over here. And then let's go over here to the actual kind of, you know, the whole outfit. So I'm going to curve, curve, curve for the, you know, the lines right there. Curve, curve, curve. Right on. Curve, curve, curve. Same thing over here. We're drawing this inward curve right there for that section. Line over here, line over here, line over here. Line over here. And maybe a little bit more over here. Alright. We need to have that. Okay, one thing is we need to darken out the eyes here, because I don't think they stand out enough. So you want to darken them out. And let's go over here and draw like a little web coming out of his hand. Right? Curve, curve, curve inward here. And let's have him getting that Grimace Shake, I think. I think that'll be line underneath. Line over there. Straw coming out. And kind of a wiggly line over here. Pretty good, honestly. Maybe a little more over here. Let's draw a thicker line around the outside. There. There. Up. Continue. Underneath. Curve out. Curve out over here. And you got that thicker line around the outside right there. So you have this kind of, again, blend of Spider-Man and Grimace. I want to thank you very much. Please hit the subscribe. Also, don't forget, check out the cool ebook we have in the description. It's a cute drawing ebook, so a lot of that has to do with proportions. So if you're not sure how to do that, go take a look at that. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. All right, talk to you next time.